Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store for iPhone users. Now, you may find an app named Hamster Kombat here, but that's not the one you're looking for. Instead, you'll need to download Telegram, which is completely free. Just search for it and install it like you would any other app. Once you have Telegram installed, open it up, and in the top right corner, tap the magnifying glass to bring up the search bar. Type in Hamster Kombat and make sure to select the official bot, which will have a blue checkmark next to it. Now that you've found the official bot, tap on it and press the Start button at the bottom of the screen. A message will pop up with an option to play in one click. Hit that, and you'll be directed to the proper Hamster Kombat app. Simply follow the quick tutorial, and you'll be ready to start mining coins in no time. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd appreciate it if you dropped a like below the video. If you like this video, you will also enjoy the next one that comes on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.